Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apple Music on Android for seamless sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Apple Music on your Android device, start by downloading the Apple Music app from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Apple Music and press search. Find the Apple Music app in the search results and tap on it. Press the install button to download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Apple Music app. If you already have an Apple ID, tap on the Sign In option. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. If you don't have an Apple ID, tap on Create Account to set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Apple ID. After signing in, you will be prompted to select a subscription plan. Choose the plan that suits you best and complete the payment process. To enable seamless sync, go to the app settings. Tap on the Settings option in the Apple Music app. Look for Sync Library and toggle it on. This will allow your music library to sync across your devices. To add music to your library, search for your favorite songs or albums. Tap the plus icon to add songs to your library. You can create playlists by going to Library and tapping Playlists. Select New Playlist and add your desired songs. Your playlists will automatically sync across devices with the Sync Library feature enabled. Explore curated playlists and recommendations tailored to your music preferences. You can download songs for offline listening by tapping the download icon next to each song. When ready, you can exit the app and enjoy your music anytime. Now you are fully set up to enjoy Apple Music on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.